Welcome to 30 Days of Challenge, and today we're going to be talking about food that will help you with restful sleep and get over insomnia. So ready to drift into your dreamland? Let's get started. Number 1, chamomile tea. It is a perfect drink pre-bedtime which will basically help you relax your mind and body and get you into a deep sleep mode. The best way to have it is at night before you go to sleep. Number 2, oats. Oats are a rich source of magnesium and melatonin, basically which helps you relax your mind and regulates your sleep cycle. So you can add bananas to eat and indulge into a beautiful meal for a beautiful sleep. Number 3, a glass of lukewarm milk. It contains a compound called as tryptophan, which is basically an amino acid that provides and promotes melatonin and serotonin production, which is responsible for a better sleep. So you can indulge in a warm glass of milk before sleeping to have a peaceful sleep. Along with this, certain other tips are you can try cutting down on the screen time 1 hour before the bedtime. Make sure you cut down on your water before you go to sleep for 2 hours. Completely darken the room for a better sleep. Try and introduce Yog Nidra for a beautiful and a relaxing sleep. What are you still waiting for? Do share this reel with your friends who are a night owl and help them sleep with peace.